Hey everyone, so I wanted to share with you a proud teacher moment. We have so much calamity going on in the world and so much negative news and everything that's happening that I had to share a spark of joy, which is that I received two emails in the past 24 hours or so from students who have been with me. They're repeat students, which is not unusual in my DBT skills class. They come, they see improvement, they want to keep improving, and they do another round. And so these two particular students fall into that category. Hey, Frankie. Today's Frankie's 17th birthday. Maybe he'll make an appearance. Um, so they separately had emailed me saying I can't make it to the workshop today. So we have an optional workshop each month where we gather over Zoom and talk about DBT skills and the context of a certain life thing. Today it was self-permission and letting go of guilt and trying to be good and all of this different stuff. And one of them said, I'm not going to be there because I'm going to be going on a date. And I'm like, don't you dare apologize to me for not making it to an optional workshop. He told me that he hasn't dated in years, and this was going to be the first date in all that time. We want our students to be out there building a life worth living in whatever way that looks to them. So I was so proud that he was choosing and putting self-care first and saying, I'm going to go on that date and skip the workshop. And then the other student who has been feeling kind of isolated and lonely signed up for a meetup and wasn't sure if she was going to make it because of that. And she hadn't signed up for something like that in so long. Same deal. I was like, don't you dare apologize. This is exactly what we want to see. We don't want to just constantly be stuck in crisis, constantly trying to be repairing ourselves. We want to be using the skills that we're learning in DBT skills class to build that life worth living. Frankie, I think you need to come say hi. This is Frankie. He turned 17 years old today. I've had him since he was 1. I adopted him from the Humane Society, and he's been my baby ever since. And he has a brother, Gray Bear, who turned 16 today. It's also my birthday today. So I just wanted to share that with you, that even in my own journey with DBT skills, I continue to go back and repeat the classes for years, and many of my students do the same thing at emotionallysensitive.com, not because it doesn't work, but because it does, and because of the community and supportive aspect of it. There are certain things you cannot get from AI that take real human people and real community to help support the healing process and to make sure that we're actually practicing the skills as intended and not getting just validated constantly as being right and correct, which can happen sometimes when we're depending on technology to be that lifeline. And I just wanted to share all that. And yes, putting on my birthday glasses. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye for now.